Thank you very much, and good morning to you all. Evergen exists because we believe very clearly that climate change is a real thing, and energy is obviously a massive contributor to climate change. We believe that batteries are an extremely valuable asset in the energy systems of the future, and they could be batteries in people's homes, batteries in vehicles, batteries in front of the meter, in communities, on solar farms, pretty much all over the place. And so Evergen began life optimizing single-site residential batteries nearly 5 years ago now. And we have now moved over the last 2 years into orchestrating the largest fleets of residential batteries in Australia. We work with leading utilities, including one of the big three in Australia, and lots of network operators. And increasingly, we're seeing the value that can be created by these thousands of batteries in the different energy markets. Now, I'm excited to be here today because expanding overseas is on our list for 2021. We're involved in discussions in 11 different countries at the moment, and lots of the things that we've learned and demonstrated down here in Australia really are at the cutting edge of what we do. And so Evergen is really hardware agnostic, so we connect all the major types of batteries, and we're really engineering to a very distributed future. And I'm excited to say that we're also involved in the hydrogen renewal revolution, and we're the global software partner optimizing and orchestrating world-beating hydrogen batteries from Australia called Lavos. We're delighted to be here today, really happy to be part of this global community, and looking forward to meeting you and working with some of you over the coming years. Thanks very much for having me.
Thank you very much, Ben. I forgot to mention that, of course, anyone in the audience is invited to ask questions. We have a amazing Q&A tool. So if you have questions, please use that. I had one question prior to this, but you just mentioned it, that you are about to expand outside of Australia. When are you planning to come to Europe?
Well, we're in reasonably advanced discussions in several countries in Europe. The energy market regulations are changing all the time, as we know, and quite often they're a catalyst for us to do things. So we're planning on being in Europe physically and in terms of having data centers in Europe for GDPR in the second half of the year, probably in July or August. We're also, I should say, in discussions in all sorts of other fascinating places around the world, including Chile and other parts of South America. Mexico, obviously North America is a big opportunity, and given what happened in Texas a few weeks ago, the lights are really coming on. So we're very excited, and I'd be delighted to speak to anyone that wants to understand what we do or how we can help.
Cool. Good luck, Ben. And I hope if there's a physical event happening in Berlin this autumn to meet you in person.
Thank you. We'll be there.